our pie dough is in the refrigerator, getting nice and cold and firm, we're gonna go ahead and put together the mixture for our pot pie. We started out with, yesterday we roasted off some Brussels sprouts and carrots, a little bit of onion and garlic, roasted that at 375 for about an hour. You wanna toss it in the middle of roasting, making sure that everything's getting nice and coated and caramelized. This is a perfect recipe for anytime you have leftover vegetables, or during the winter when you have a lot of these great hearty vegetables. This makes a great, really delicious meal that sticks with you, and it's fun and festive for any fall event that you might have. So we'll start off with making our broth. I'm doing something a little different here today because I'm using our garbanzo bean flour for the sauce mixture, and I like to mix that with either chicken broth or vegetable broth. To keep it vegan, you can definitely go with the vegetable broth. So I take a 1/4 cup of the chickpea flour, and I will take my broth, pour it in, and whisk it. Make sure it gets nice and combined. You don't want any lumps in it. And then I'm gonna set it on the stove for about 5 minutes on medium. You want it to get nice and bubbly, and you'll see it starts to thicken. So now we're gonna take our thickened chickpea flour and vegetable broth mixture, and we're gonna pour it over our vegetables. And after we top this with our pie dough, when this roasts, this is gonna become nice and brown, caramelized, and so good. Okay, pot pie is out of the oven. It's bubbly, it's golden brown, it's ready for you to dive into it. This is perfect for a freezer-friendly meal, so you could make it on the weekends, have it in the freezer, pop it in the oven, and you'll have this hot, warm, amazingly delicious meal on the table in about 35 minutes. Perfect for fall, perfect for family gatherings, perfect for any time.